In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert sound effects to videos in Canva. We'll walk through finding the right sound, placing it exactly where you want, polishing it so it blends with your footage, and exporting a clean MP4 you can share anywhere. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video project, or open one you've already been working on. Once your footage is on the timeline, head to the left-hand menu and click Audio. Here you can search by keywords like pop, swoosh, or cheering, or browse through categories to spark ideas. If you want even more options, take a look under Elements and explore audio there, or upload your own files if you have specific effects you've downloaded elsewhere. Hover over any track to preview it before you add it. When you find the sound you want, click it or drag it straight onto the timeline below your video clips. It will appear as its own audio track, separate from your main footage, which makes it easy to edit without affecting anything else. If your timeline is busy, zoom in so you can see the waveform and make more precise placements. Position the sound effect by dragging it left or right until it lines up with the moment you want. Use the playhead, the vertical line that shows your current position, as a guide, and press play to confirm timing. If the effect is too long or too short, trim it by grabbing either edge of the audio clip and dragging inward or outward until it fits the moment perfectly. Short, punchy effects work well for button clicks, transitions, or on-screen text. Longer ambience or crowd sounds can sit underneath a sequence to add energy. Click the audio clip to open its editing options. Here, adjust the volume so the effect supports your video without overpowering any voiceover or music. If there's a click at the start or end, add a gentle fade in or fade out to smooth it out. Subtle fades can make a huge difference in how professional your final mix sounds. If you're chaining multiple clips together, consider adding transitions between your video clips so the visuals flow as smoothly as the audio. When everything sounds balanced and your timing feels right, it's time to export. Click Download, choose MP4 as your format, and select the resolution that matches your project. Then download your file and give it a quick watch to confirm everything plays back exactly as you intended. That's it. Thanks for watching.